my name is Caitlin Barnes. I did a live binder for SPED 3413, and I tried to make mine as colorful as possible, but keep it simple, but fun. So I have different tabs. On the left side, it's YouTube videos, IEPs, useful websites, so websites that I really liked and I think that'll help teachers in the future. I have the UDL website, or the Udl Guidelines Worksheet that we were provided at the beginning of the semester, or middle of the semester. I have information about barriers. We're going to start with the YouTube videos first, and the first video I have is what is special education. So teachers obviously need to know what special education is and the importance of special education. The second video I have is my UDL Activity 3. We're not going to play that because we've already watched it. My next video I have is an introduction to special education. So this is another helpful video, just like the first one I had. It's telling you what special education is, what's the importance of special education, and what kind of things go into special education. Diversity. Students are diverse. That's what this video is. It's about reducing the barriers to learning, letting teachers know that all students learn different, and there's a wide variety of students in your classroom. The next video I have that I thought was awesome was this one. It's overcoming barriers for classrooms. It tells you how to rearrange your desks in your classroom. Ignore my dog again. It just about your overcoming barriers in the classroom. You have to watch it, it's pretty good. Next video is differentiation. It's my Prezi that I did for one of the activities we did. Next video I have is the RTI, which is response to intervention, the 3-tier approach. This is one of those draw videos that somebody does. I think it's pretty cool. It goes through like what each tier means and the importance of the RTI model and stuff like that. Next video is the UDL. Well, I think I already had that one. Yeah, I just duplicated it, sorry. The next tab I have is the Understanding IEP tab. So this is a website I found. It goes and talks about learning about IEPs, the understanding of the IEP process, knowing what is in an IEP, and navigating the IEP meetings. So if you have a student that has an IEP, you'll have to attend the meetings that they do, I think. Staying on top of your child's IEP. So if you have a child that has an IEP, this is how to stay on top of it. So this website is very, very in-depth. And it just goes through different things and how to do it and how the key takeaways. These are some useful websites that I found. The live binder websites I have pulled up are just kind of websites that we found throughout the semester and that Dr. or Ms. Gavan provided for us, so I just stuck that right there. I just got it live binder websites. So another one is Kahoot. I love Kahoot. I've always loved Kahoot. We played it when I was in school, and I plan on using it in my classroom. It's pretty awesome. Discovery Education is a website like the Discovery Channel, but it like goes into like this website's awesome. You need to click on that one. I'm just gonna click on and show you. It takes learning beyond the classroom and into the real world. So yeah, I like that website. I've used it before. Read, Write, Think is a good website I've used before. Khan Academy, I don't really know how to say that. I really like that website. These are useful to teachers. And my favorite, and I think every other teacher's favorite, is the Teachers Pay Teachers website, which very, very, very helpful. I'm not even a teacher yet, and I've used this before. Next tab is the UDL Guidelines Worksheet, which is the one that Ms. Gavan provided for us in the semester. I just stuck that there because I thought it was very, very useful. A website I have on here is cast.org. It's about UDL, and it just has that video that we watched, and I thought that was useful. And there's another website, the same website, but a different tab. So this is like the effects and recognition, the strategic networks of learning. The last tab I have is barriers. Oops. The website I have pulled up is tcd.ie. I don't really know. It's a good website too. It's the physical environment. I think Dr. Gavan gave us this one, or Ms. Gavan gave us this website too. It goes into the pedagogical barriers. I don't really know how to say that. The Tim story that we all read, we're supposed to read, and the physical barrier. That's what that website is from. It's the physical environment barriers. So I thought Live Finder was pretty cool. I plan to use this in my future. I'm going to keep my Live Binder accessible so I can use it later on when I have my classroom and when I know to use this stuff. That's all. Thanks. Bye.